In a world designed to distract you, focus is your superpower. Here's how to rebuild it. Most of us feel like our focus has been slipping. Notifications, endless scrolling, and constant noise make it harder than ever to stay on track. But you can take control back. Number 1. Take control of your notifications. Turn off all but the essential alerts. Make your phone work for you, not against you. Number 2. Create deep work zones. Block out time where no apps, emails, or messages can reach you. Use tools like focus mode, website blockers, or simply go offline. Number 3. Consume long-form content. Train your brain by reading books, listening to podcasts, or watching lectures. Long attention builds mental endurance. Number 4. Reclaim quiet spaces. Seek out or create environments free from digital noise early mornings, parks, even a quiet room at home. Number 5. Use dopamine intentionally. Reward yourself after focus sessions, not during them. This rewires your brain to associate satisfaction with deep work. Number 6. Practice monotasking. Do one thing at a time. Put your phone away while eating, turn off extra browser tabs, and commit fully to the task at hand. Number 7. Guard your sleep like gold. Good sleep sharpens focus. Set a cutoff for screens, keep a consistent schedule, and make your bedroom tech-free. Number 8. Control your inputs. Unfollow accounts and mute feeds that drain your energy. Surround yourself with content and people who fuel growth, not distraction. Bonus tips. Try the Pomodoro technique. Meditate for 5 minutes daily and journal to clear mental clutter. Your focus is your edge. Protect it, rebuild it, and watch how everything in your life levels up. If this video helped you, subscribe for more strategies to stay focused, motivated, and in control of your life.